Okay, how you doing? So today we're going to make some pizza dough, really easy version. Let's take a look at what we need. So here I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. There we've got 1 cup of water, 105F or 40C. Next up we've got yeast, 1 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, sugar, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and oil, 2 tablespoons. This is very, very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to get this into my food processor with a hook, and it's going to be done. Okay, so I've got a Kenwood type mixing bowl thing. I'm using this hook. You need this hook thing to do this with. Let's drop in our salt, our yeast, our sugar, our oil, our water, and about half of our flour now. And then I'm just going to get that mixer on for about 60 seconds. Okay, that's just to kind of get it on the go. And then we're going to now add the rest of the flour. And then we're going to go now for about 6 minutes. Okay, so that's been going for about 6 minutes. You've got a really nice dough there. Let's move on. So that's it, absolutely wonderful. This needs to be set aside for a little bit, like an hour minimum, 1 hour minimum, or overnight's good, you know, in the fridge. But that's beautiful. That's going to need to kind of rise up and do its thing. So next up, you're going to need some container to go in the fridge. I'm using this stainless steel one, and what I've done is I've got a little bit of oil and I've just brushed it on there. You can use the spray stuff if you want. Just drop that in the middle there. I'm just going to put a little bit more oil in my hand and just rub that over. Try and get all the sides. Shrink wrap, plastic wrap over there. Minimum 1 hour, overnight in the fridge. Fantastic. Okay, and that's it. So shrink wrap is on it. It's going to go into the fridge. It will expand a little bit. You've got enough there for 2 kind of 12 or 15-inch size pizzas. Job done. If you want to find out how to make pizza sauce, check the link out. I'll leave that at the end. And also, I'm going to be making pizzas with these. I'll be making different types of pizzas as we go along. I'm going to do a few different ones. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.